Alright, my name is Paul Michael. Last name is Lam. Student ID is 915-915-083. And today I'm going to compare PrestaShop versus Aventacore. It's gonna be my first time using this. So here again, this is the site address where people can see your website, and this is your admin where you can edit your website. Alright, so let's see. Let's log into the website. Click that. We have the user ID. We're gonna copy that. And the password is this. Alright, let's log in. Looks nice. It has all the features, products, manufacturers, reviews, customers, total order, and it looks like it's it's really nice. Language. Oh wow. Alright, let's see what's the difference. Let's add a catalog. Alright. Okay. How do we add a new product? Okay. Alright. To add a category, you're gonna do is add here, and let's say fragrances. Okay, and look at that. You can do HTML, visual, or add media. Hello. Description. Alright, let's save that. And that's been saved. Alright. To add a product, I guess it's, right here. Add a product. Let's do Armani. Description. Smell good. By me. And we can choose quantity. You can track your stock. You can put the SKU number. Let's say this. Free shipping off. On, or let's do on. Fixed price, let's do $100. How do we add a picture? Oh, there you go. Let's do an add media. Add. Here's a file. We're gonna do, let me see, geo. Open. There you go. Go ahead and save. Alright, this is my first time using this e-commerce tool. Close that. I guess I have it here. And then let's save. Correct. Okay. There's no picture. Price 0. Alright, let's do $100. Let's do save. And let's do edit. Quit view. Let's see what's going on. How can we add a picture? Where did it go? View. No. Okay, I guess I found it. How to add the picture. I'm gonna go media, research file, open up, and then save. Just this. And alright. Now let's go back. Let's see our main website. Let's look. Look at that. Category fragrance. Hello. Where is my fragrance? Not here. Alright. Oops. I guess the difference between PrestaShop and Aventacar, I think personally I like PrestaShop because it's much easier to use. Other than that, yeah, I think Aventacar is kind of hard to use. It's kind of weird. Alright.